Hello, my name is Grant Lee, and I'll be giving you a quick presentation on game development with a focus on GameMaker Studio. First off, what is a video game? There are many types and styles, but generally a video game has its common traits. It must be an interactive program, have an end goal, and have a win or lose condition, and present some sort of challenge. When creating your first game, you should stick to the basics before working your way up. Certain genres of video games are simpler and easier to create than others. For example, hmm, beginner-friendly game genres may include action RPGs, clickers, or scrolling shooters. Examples of difficult game genres are platformers, roguelikes, and simulators. There are many tools available for game developers to create rare games. Just like with genres, some tools are more beginner-friendly than others. Scratch, GameMaker, and Stencil are good examples of beginner-friendly game development tools. In contrast, Unity, Godot, and Unreal are game engines that are geared towards more experienced or advanced game developers. You may be wondering how to gain access to these game development tools. For now, we will only go over how to obtain the beginner-friendly game engines. To Scratch, simply go to scratch.edu and create an account. It is mostly online, but can also be downloaded for local use. For GameMaker, go to the site and select your plan. Some plans require payments, but older versions of GameMaker are cheaper or even free. Click on the red Pac-Man at the top to create a sprite. Load your desired image or edit a sprite yourself if advanced mode is on. A sprite is an image that defines the appearance of an object. Create an object by clicking the blue ball at the top. Apply a sprite to the object. An object does actions and runs code. In the object menu, drag over the move and fixed direction block to the completely right area. Check every direction except for the square, and do not check relative. Set the speed to whatever you think is reasonable. Create a room by clicking on the following icon. Put your object in the room. Then, run the game. The object will go in a mad dash at a random direction. Let's stop hard by being able to control the object by input. Remove the create event and then add a keyboard for the left key. Make the object move in its respective direction. Do the same for the right key. GameMaker has a big community and plenty of tutorials to help you with this. Go above and beyond. You have only been using drag and drop so far. It is extremely limiting and only allows for basic functions. First off, turn on advanced mode. Advanced mode allows for a lot more options and allows you to use GameMaker to its full potential. In the object selector, go to control and drag to execute a piece of code action. This action is very versatile and you can execute a lot of actions with it. You gain access to while and for loops, where control over if statements, and cleaner code. I cannot really explain this one, but as I mentioned above, you can use GameMaker's big community to learn more.